Well, here we are. I figured, you know, since it stopped snowing and it's halfway decent out, get some of this stuff out, bolt some of the interior down. It's all really kind of just sitting in there. And this is all the shit that I took out of it. I got a wheelbarrow full. That's cool, right? And I decided, instead of fixing the harness, since I got a parts car, I'm just gonna yank the whole harness out, go get it from the other car, get it in, probably pressure wash this engine bay down, get the radiator in that I ordered for it, flip the bumper around, and finish putting this back together. It's a lot of tedious shit to do, but I'll get it. I never really went over why I was gonna yank this harness, but I started repairing it and I said screw it, because every single wire over here is cut, and then over here they're all cut. Then we've got some broken wires going to the fuse box like that. Those were all cut up there, but giant waste of time splicing everything back together when I have another harness. ABS is just kind of sitting in there. I put it back in, but after addressing yanking the entire harness out of the car, I decided to give it a shot and wire it up for now. See what happens. I think we'll be okay. I'm gonna clean this engine bay out, get this fuse box back in the car properly, probably the ECU too, and go from there. This is where we're at, hunting through the car for parts, but I think I found all the power steering stuff, got the box in. That fucking horrible spray paint job has got to go. Got that in. Same thing with a white top for that. I'm gonna go down and check the parts car, see if I have any black covers. I think I do, so it's not the end of the world. Gonna get that shit off the firewall, finish cleaning that corner, hang a few of the other things up, just shit, so I don't have to do it later, because the motor is ready to go in this thing. So, and then I'm gonna fall down, eat shit over the bumper, but get that fucking flipped over the right way instead of upside down, and then go from there. Flipped, got the bumper on, wiring's all done, everything in here. Hooked the battery up just for shits and giggles to see what the mileage is and stuff. Still gotta clean it, pressure wash the grease off of it, but it's about ready for a motor now, and we got power after replacing some fuses, so it looks like the wiring was all good to go. This car has way less miles than what was advertised when I bought it. It said 90,000 miles, and we got 76,669. And it seems to be everything works. Battery's a little low, but oh, didn't even try the windows. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. So, looks like my wiring splicing job worked well. So, now we finished putting shit together and going to town. Because now, yep, battery's dead. But, yeah. And it's cold out, and I don't feel like fucking around with it anymore. So that's it for this video. Motor's ready for the Rx8. I buttoned it all up the other day. I just gotta put that on in the wiring. But pretty much everything's all set. Gasketed up, oil lines ran, and whatnot. Put an ACT lightweight flywheel on it. I stuck a clutch on it that I had laying around that was still fairly new, but when I was in the trunk of the car, I found Rx8 Stage 1 that's still basically like brand new, so I'm just gonna throw that back on it and probably take that transmission or that one. I know one of them's super low miles. That one was out of the car, but it looks very well abused. And then I got a 2 kilowatt starter I built for it. So probably this next week here, I'll get it together and hopefully started.